Friends, hello everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome you on this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily save an image from Pinterest app to your phone gallery. Friends, please don't forget to put likes, be sure to write comments after watching the video, and also please subscribe to our channel. So, let us get started with you. Open the Pinterest app. Now that you've opened the app, you can choose any picture, any image from the recommendations. Or you can go to the search section, and then you can write down exactly what you're looking for. So, let's say you have found an image that you would like to save. To do this, click on the picture. Then in the upper right-hand corner, click on the three dots, and then Save Image. Wait for a second or two. And now, if you get this window, it means that the image has been saved in the galleries. In order to check if this is really the case, close Pinterest, go to the gallery on your phone. And as you can see, the picture in question is now in the gallery. Friends, I'm sure this video was helpful to you. You have seen how you can easily save an image from Pinterest to your phone gallery. Please like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.